Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming where the cable will run. You need to avoid studs and live wiring, so use a stud finder and wiring detector. Once you mark entry and exit points, measure the run and add 1 to 2 meters of slack to avoid tension. Make sure to pick a low-voltage wall plate and a drill bit sized for the cable and grommet. This reduces drywall damage and keeps the cable secure. From here, drill the pilot hole at each mark and prepare to fish the cable. Once you have pilot holes, position the drill perpendicular to the wall cavity and bore through the drywall into the stud bay. Make sure to keep clear of insulation obstructions. Feed the fish tape through from one hole to the other, then attach the cable with tape and pull it back slowly to avoid snags. If you hit resistance, stop and probe for obstructions. Make sure to seat the cable into a grommet and route it into the low-voltage box to prevent sharp-edged chafing and maintain a tidy, code-friendly installation. You now terminate the cable. Strip the jacket, arrange pairs to the keystone standard, and punch them down or crimp a plug. This ensures good contact and correct wiring. Once done, mount the wall plate and secure the cable with a strain relief so movement won't loosen the connection. Make sure to test with a cable tester for continuity and pairing. If you see intermittent faults, reset the termination and check for damage. One key troubleshooting tip: a continuity tester will reveal a split pair or short quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.